his welcome address, please welcome Mr. Gaurav Sethi. Please round of applause for Mr. Gaurav Sethi.
Hello, good evening everyone. Honorable Mr. V.P. Agarwal ji, Dr. Jain, Ms. Miliam Majumdar, our respected researcher, architects and team, Architect Vidur Bharadwaj ji, I'm sure he is, sir, please welcome. Architect Sheetal Akhija ji, Mr. Ashish Akeja, and of course the think tank of Archidesign Perspective Group, Architect Atul Gupta ji, Architect Charanjit Shah ji, Mr. Sudhir Sarup, Editor-in-Chief, Archidesign Perspective, and all the other dignitaries present here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great evening here today, and for a great cause that all of us have assembled here. Green is life. Green is success. Green is going ahead with dedication to achieve the writing on the wall of time. And green is what we owe to our generations ahead. So let us all commit to design every building as green, truly green. Come, join the Archidesign in their year-long program of spreading the awareness of the ultimate, which has been rightly termed as National Agenda. I, Gaurav Sethi from Urban Doors, the Green Door and Window Manufacturing Company, invite all you designers and construction professionals to come and scale your heights of spreading green goodwill across the world. India gave the world Shunya. With Indian architects, designers and construction professionals, I see scaling those heights of success on the World Web once again. And today, with presentation of Architect Vidur ji, Architect Sheetal ji and Mr. Ashish, we are talking Green Shunya. And what could be better than standing for this noble cause under the Archidesign banner and a team which has such illustrious board of advisors. Dr. P.C. Jain, a first amongst Indian construction professionals and chairman of IGBC, has pushed up India to number 2 on the world map with 1.15 billion square feet of green footprint. He has commitment to bypass, overtake and take up number 1 position in the years to come. And Dr. Jain ji, I promise to support this cause to its conclusion. Architect Mr. Bharadwaj ji, Architect Ms. Sheetal ji and Mr. Akheja's role in promoting green and now the net zero energy design concepts is taking India to the next level, as I just mentioned before. My company Urban Doors and our technology partners are Aluplast from Germany, who are the world leaders in UPVC doors and window technology, truly conform to green code, and we are the suppliers of 100% lead-free green UPVC doors and windows in India. Together we promise to keep our effort going in support of the cause, and we all gather here today for. I would also like to mention here of our collective effort in the form of another small body which we have recently promoted under the mentorship of Dr. Jain and supported by Architect Sheetal ji and Mr. Akheja, the International Fenestration Forum, or IFF as we call it, to promote standardization and contribution of fenestration in green buildings. I invite all architects, designers and construction professionals on behalf of Archidesign to send your green projects for publishing the 3rd special bumper issue titled Go Green, or about green and sustainability, slated for release in August this year. And please note, select 25 of the green and sustainable projects will be featured in Archidesign Green Book, coffee table format, set for release in March 2013. Also, please brace up your laces on a late January 2013 Sunday morning to participate in a Walk a Green Mile from India Gate to Vijay Chowk, an awareness program to take architects closer to take architecture closer to the masses. This is the Archidesign mission, and Architect Atul Gupta will be updating us soon on this. Towards the end, I would just like to share a small sentiment of my own. While all of us are promising to leave better planet for the children, let us also try to leave better children for the planet, because ultimately they have to maintain it. So I'm sure we will be including young students and architects in this program and prepare them to hold the green future. Once again, I thank all of you for your participation today in the Archidesign Go Green National Agenda. Thank you.